everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to address a very important question, and I think it's one of the most frequent or most common questions I've faced whenever I'm doing a seminar, a workshop, or even back during my training days. I was a makeup trainer before. I met so many people, so many students who hardly took care of their skin, and they even did not apply moisturizer on their face. Especially people with very oily skin types, they would always tell me, oh, but my skin is naturally oily, so I don't really feel the need to apply a moisturizer. Now that is a very wrong notion. I don't know if you already know this, but our skin is the largest organ of our body, and it is also the exposed part of our body, which means on a day-to-day basis it has to face so many harsh things like the climate, the sun, the dust particles, and you can't even imagine, there are so many harmful things around in our environment. So it's very important to apply a moisturizer, because if you have a layer of skincare product, that is really going to help your skin avoid direct contact with all of these external harmful factors. So yeah, if you have super oily skin, then I would highly recommend the new Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist. This is a mattifying moisturizer. Now that sounds pretty strange, right? Because a lot of people think that moisturizer means something that makes your skin oily, creamy, greasy, whatever, but that's not the case. If you have oily skin, then lightweight moisturizers like these are a must. Now this one, as you can see, the texture, it looks like a cream, but it feels very lightweight, almost liquidy, and once you blend it out on your skin, it just instantly it vanishes into thin air. Okay, and it does not leave any sticky residue, any greasy residue behind. Like, my skin feels absolutely matte, like totally matte. And another thing I noticed, this moisturizer has such strong mattifying properties in it that it was kind of like, mattifying my other products as well, because my sunscreen, it has a bit of a sheen to it. So when I used that over this, even the sunscreen felt a bit matte. So I think this moisturizer really has the power to absorb oils, and it also claims to give you 12 hours of hydration, which I think is true, because I wore this today morning, and as you can see, my face looks really matte. It looks really nice. I actually really like it wearing underneath my makeup, and because it's a mattifying product, it kind of makes the pores appear a lot more smaller. So this also does the job of a primer as well. So if you're using this moisturizer, you don't need to add any mattifying primer over this. So if you have the problem of your makeup transferring onto your mask, then you might want to try this moisturizer out as well. This also has green tea extracts in it. Now green tea is a very good antioxidant, and antioxidants are very good for your skin. So if you're interested in this, I will leave a link down in the description box. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!